In the 2013 MUSICultures edition, my article Step Dancing in Cape Breton and Scotland, Contrasting Contexts and Creative Processes include two lab notations of two basic Cape Breton reel steps. The first one that I will dance for you in a moment has a rhythm for 1/4/4 bar of diddle diddle dum dum, while the second one has a rhythm of diddle diddle dum de dum, and the difference between them is a small inclusion of a hop between counts 3 and 4 and the second one. These were once featured in clips online but are no longer available, and I'd like to say thank you to my daughter Ingrid, who's holding the camera for this short video.